Yes, we are live. Welcome, everybody. Great that y'all are joining us. There were 8 of y'all waiting on YouTube, so that was very nice. Thanks everyone for being here. We're a little bit stressed because we had a lot of planning to do, and we've literally finished the planning 1 minute ago. So, breathe. Guys, let us know if in the comments that the sound is okay, and then we'll all get started. And as most of you know, today is a special one that is just the best that I've spoken to a lot of you, and you all told me which your favorite was from the last concerts. So there's some really good songs. It does mean a lot of the songs are a bit sadder and slower because those were y'all favorites, not mine, so I bear no responsibility for that. But that was great, and we're going to have some cameos from João Gino and Wids as well, which is going to be great at social distance measurements, except for Wids because we be quarantining together.
What does that mean?
Not a metaphor, João. Calm down.
Jealous.
Absolutely, João is jealous that we're... Oh. So, guys, Lynn, awesome that you are there, sounding good in Gorenhaven. Fantastic. Thank you for letting us know. Hope you enjoy this evening. Okay, right now I need to just get my head together and work out what the first 2 songs are, which are 2 songs from my childhood. I've been talking to my family a lot this week in quarantine. Well, they're in quarantine, we've been ringing, and it's made me very nostalgic for home, and I keep dreaming about just being at my parents' place. So I thought we would start off with 2 really awesome songs from my childhood, and you all will know them. They're absolute awesome songs. So you guys have no excuse not to sing along at home. And the boys here are welcome to sing along as well, so you won't be alone in joining me singing. Good evening, Bertie. Thanks for joining. It's awesome that you're there. We are just going to crack onto it when I find a good set of lyrics. Sorry about not getting this done before. We've got a very nice, it's not a surprise. At 9 o'clock, we've got something 9 o'clock Dutch time, we've got something very special because Hidde and João are going to be joining me to do a song all together. So that will be very, very fun. So you guys should definitely be here at 9 o'clock Dutch time. Anyway, I'm talking a lot. I've found what appears to be a good version of the lyrics. And I have something for all of you while you're singing along. Every one of you watching has to send this to at least one other person that you think that will watch it. So it's going to be some great music for 2 hours, so let's get some people watching, okay? Thank you in advance. The homework never stops. I can't sleep tonight. Everybody's saying everything is alright. Still I can't close my eyes. I'm seeing a tunnel at the end of all these lights. Sunny days, where have you gone? I get the strangest feeling you belong. Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 17? Why does it always rain on me? Even when the sun is shining, I can't avoid the lightning. I can't stand myself. I'm being held up by invisible because I lied when I was 17? Why does it always rain on me? Even when the sun is shining, I can't avoid the lightning. Oh, where did the blue sky go? Why is it raining so? It's so cold. I can't sleep tonight. Everyone's saying everything is alright. Still I can't close my eyes. I'm seeing a tunnel at the end of all these lights. Sunny days. Where have you gone? I get the strangest feeling we belong. Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 17? Why does it always rain on me? Even when the sun is shining, I can't avoid the lightning. Oh, where did the blue sky go? Why is it raining so? It's so cold. Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 17? Why does it always rain on me? Even when the sun is shining, I can't avoid the lightning. Why does it always rain on? Why does it always rain on me? Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you'd never been, but all the things that you've seen will slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause the things you said went to my head. Step outside, the summertime's in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. And so Sally gonna wait. She knows it's too late as she's walking on by. So slides away. you say. Down by the Sally Gardens, my love and I did meet. She'd passed the Sally Gardens with little snow white feet. She'd said me, take love easy, as the leaves grow on the trees. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree. In a field down by the river, my love and I did stand, and on my leaning shoulder she laid her snow white hand. She bid me take life easy, as the grass grows on the wheels. But I was young and foolish, and now I'm full of tears. There we go. First set. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you to with the comments. Thank you, Jorginho. Obrigado. So, cheers, everybody.
Be careful. Huh?
Yeah, I forget how strong this is. I need to.
In 5 minutes, you're saying again. Oh, the wine is so strong. I'm so tipsy.
The wine is so strong. Anyway.
I'm playing so many wrong notes, and it's because of the wine.
Shut up, Joe. It's not even like 20 minutes into the concert and the abuse has started. Anyway, that was 3 English songs. Why Does It Always Rain on Me by Travis, Oasis, Don't Look Back in Anger, and Down by the Sally Gardens. So, there we go. Bertie, thank you, babe.
Bertie says he's a double watcher on Instagram.
Bertie, you're a double watcher. Thank you, fantastic.
Thanks on this bottom phone.
Thanks to the bottom phone, and thank you, Bertie, for giving the algorithm what for, in your words. So, what have we done already? Okay, we have to do this 3 times tonight, so we're gonna start now. Your team. That's all you'll need to know. Sing along at home, okay? Happy birthday, your team. I hope you had a lovely day. And I hope you have a lovely day. And thanks for watching.
Seeing as we have to do it 3 times, do you know other Dutch birthday songs as well?
No, I don't. I just
make
make
jarig.
them. Sorry, you'll have to teach me afterwards.
Okay, yeah.
There's lots of different Dutch songs.
2 violen en een trommel en een fluit.
Ook niet. There are 3 very special people watching. My absolutely gorgeous niece and nephews, Will, Seth, and Alyssa. So, hello, all of you. Thanks for watching. I love you all, and I hope you're all well.
We are for the first time live on Instagram.
We are for the first time live on Instagram, so it's a special day. What do we go on to?
This looks like a phone shop or something.
It does look like a phone shop.
On my phone.
We're gonna stay with some English stuff for a minute. Well, American, but you know, we don't mention that. No. Okay.
They don't need to know. Potato.
Clock strikes upon the hour and the song begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I've done it right up till now. It's the light of day that shows me how. So when the night falls, my lonely heart calls, and it says, oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I've been in love and lost my senses, spinning through the town. Sooner or later the fever ends and I wind up feeling so down. I need a man to take a chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So when the night falls, my lonely somebody who loves me. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. I wanna dance with somebody who loves me. I Wanna Dance with Somebody by Whitney Houston. Thank you, Bertie. João, você está preparado de cantar?
Para cantar.
Para cantar. Okay, so we have the first guest. Sorry for anybody watching on headphones. I'll try not to do that into the microphone next time.
I think they will appreciate.
They will probably appreciate me not doing that. We are going to go to some Disney songs. Yeah, everybody welcome João. Give João some love in the comments. João is an awesome singer who's studying at the Royal Conservatoire here in The Hague.
Sorry, I also eat the microphone.
Now you're not visible for these. You know what I'll do? Solved. Look, there we are. Okay.
Wait, let me.
Yeah, we need to. There's a little bit of a lyric schnibbling that needs to happen.
No, not the Dutch version.
And we just did this. We just did this like 2 minutes ago. So hopefully it will be all right.
It was 5 minutes ago or something. No excuses.
No excuses. Well, a little bit of excuses.
So, what are you going to sing?
Well, they'll find that out as soon as we
Okay.
start.
They will find out in many languages.
They'll find out exactly. We're doing a bit of a. We're doing a mix up of English, Spanish, and Portuguese, and I'm gonna attempt to sing a top D flat. So that's gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Invite someone who you want to hear sing a top D flat.
Yeah. What's top D flat? Is it D?
Hey, Kirsten,
D6 or
superleuk dat
something?
je er bent en superleuk dat je meekijkt.
D flat 7. That one.
Right. Oh no, I just got rid of the Spanish text. Oh no, wait. Okay, right. Whew, I'm a little bit nervous about this one.
Don't be.
Come on. We did this like 1.5 times.
You know, in
It's
the
more
last
than
bit,
enough.
we go to "And You'll Never Hear," right? When we sing in English.
What?
Okay. Water break while we sort the lyrics out.
And while you take a break, maybe people can do invite their friends.
Yes.
Yeah, invite any friend who likes Disney. That's giving a little bit away. But
Well, you said it already.
I said it already. Are you ready, Jean?
I think
And we're
so.
in D flat.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know.
Yeah, no, I
Because
know.
I
It's
Because I thought it was C
for
natural.
myself.
So,
Yeah, thanks, Jean.
so now, wait. I have to change my mindset.
Okay.
E3.
Me crees ignorante al salvaje. Tú has ido por el mundo y viajado por doquier, mas no puedo entender si hay tanto por saber. Tendrías que aprender a escuchar.
Tu pensas que esta terra te pertence, que o mundo é um ser morto, mas vais ver que cada pedra, planta ou criatura está viva e tem alma, é um ser. Tu dás valor apenas às pessoas que acham como tu sem se opor, mas segue as pisadas de um estranho e terás mil surpresas de esplendor. Já ouviste o lobo uivando no luar azul, o
So cool.
Oh man, this is one nice.
Muito
Really nice.
obrigado, Jorginho. Guys, show Joao some love in the comments because he is an awesome singer. And I hope that you all enjoyed Colors of the Wind, Colores en el Viento in Portuguese.
Cores do vento.
Cores do Vento.
Yeah.
Anyway, awesome. Thank you, Joao, for joining me. Where do we go from here? We've got so many schnibbles. We're going to go for something a little bit... We're going to go for something a little bit more relaxed now, so I can get a bit of a breath. Oh no, my internet's not working. Oh no.
So what happened? Did you hit the D flat?
I did hit the D flat. That was not bad.
A couple of times actually. Yeah.
Yeah, like 3 or 4 times. Top D flat. So. I mean, it's easy in that voice, but doing it not in that voice is a bit more of a challenge. We're going to go to Frenchland, as the Dutch call it. French Kingdom.
Yeah. What's like French Empire? It's not quite.
No, French. Anyway, we're going to go to France.
Elaine posted a story with me and you.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, Helene, for watching. Hello, Helene.
Cute.
Hoi, familie van Helene.
Meneer, mevrouw de moeder en vader van de
Dit is ook voor Helena. T'es pas une autre, t'es un homme, mon homme à moi. Je suis pas un autre, je suis ton homme à toi. Et cet amour qui voit le jour entre nos bras restera nôtre jusqu'au jour où tu partiras. Je viens d'ailleurs, je suis jeudi et dimanche. J'aime les fleurs et toi la pluie et les nuits blanches. Tu two absolutely beautiful French songs, Quand le soleil dit bonjour aux montagnes and T'es pas un autre. I both know them from Emily Claire Barlow, and if you don't know her, you should for sure check her out because she is absolutely awesome. So that was those two. I've sung that one. What else do we still need to sing? I've sung that one. Okay, we're going to do another Head Back to Spain. Oh, we haven't been there yet today. We were in Mexico. So we're going to do Es tu voz, which was Hibiki's favorite. So here we go. Es tu voz by Taxi, meaning it's your voice. And it's just about saying how your voice keeps me going. It's the one that calls out to me. And I know that I'm going to be right here for you if you want me in your world. So here we go. Escribo canciones que me hacen vivir. Son las historias que me hacen raíz en las ideas que hay dentro de mí. Y yo busco haga sentirme muy bien y da igual lo que dicen, da igual si no entienden por qué no nos podrán romper. Es tu voz la que me empuja a seguir. Es tu voz la que me llama a mí y yo sé que aquí estaré si me quieres en tu mundo. Amor y miedo y cómo se vive esta vida. Es lo que me haga sentir, si con mis temas lleno tu alma y te hago ser parte de mí y comparto algo nuevo que nos toca a ti y a mí. Da igual lo que digan, da igual lo que cuentes, si es pa' conectar otra vez. Es tu voz la que me empuja a seguir, es tu voz la que me llama a mí. Yo sé que aquí estaré si me quieres en tu mundo. Es tu voz la que me empuja a seguir, es tu voz la que me llama a mí y yo sé que aquí estaré si me quieres en tu mundo. Si me quieres en tu mundo. Estu was. Bij Taxi. Thank you Helene, leuk dat je er bent, schatje. Thank you Bertie, ook leuk dat jij er bent, schatje. Yeah, I've been singing for like 45 minutes, so I guess it's time. Everyone watching on YouTube, everyone watching on Instagram and Facebook, head over to YouTube because we have way better sound quality. Guys, remember you can donate at any of the Tiki links or the PayPal links there above, below the video, anywhere, you know, in Narnia somewhere. We've got loads more really cool songs for all y'all. And now we is going to be joined by Lewids for a really beautiful Dutch song.
What's the song called?
And the song is called Mind Your Own Business.
Is there a word
There
we can
is
use to describe
There
this
is
song?
not. That's a very good point. Wits is making a joke because this song is called Beautiful in Dutch, so of course it's a beautiful song.
Yeah, it is.
And it's
So-
actually, it's really nice. Do you want to say something? Wits is going to say
Yeah,
something.
invite someone that you think is beautiful. Send them this link. And
We
tell
should go to take one of those influencer courses or something.
because I'm bad at influencing. I need a course.
No, I'm not saying you're bad. I think you have the talent. For
I have the
Absolutely.
the
Wits
raw
is-
talent.
the
Wits is a
annoyance
good-
for it. You
Yeah.
just keep annoying people with it. Go invite people.
Yeah, man.
No, man,
Share this lovely song.
Exactly. This is awesome music,
Help them.
if I say so
discover
myself.
this.
No, but I mean, I love the melodies I'm singing, so y'all should be sharing it with like everybody. Anyway, here we go. This is Mooi by Woodstick, who's like babe. So here we go, and I know Bertie loves this one as well. So
Oh, that's nice.
also for you, Bertie.
Mijn ogen liegen niet. Ik lees aan jouw gezicht af dat er iets veranderd is. Alsof al ons verdriet is verdwenen in jouw glimlach. Vandaag schijnt een ander licht. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. Deel het met mij. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent. Mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt. Mooi wanneer je slaapt.
Je bent mooi als ik je zie je stralen als het zonnig zonder meer. De mooiste ben je lieverd, al heb je dat niet door. Dan zeg ik het graag, daar ben ik toch voor. Ja, ik ben er vandaag en morgen, overmorgen. Ik ben er voor altijd, ik ben al lang blij dat ik naar je kijken kan elke dag. Ook als de nacht zich meldt, liever dan schijn je zelfs meer. En morgen als je wakker wordt, dan zeg ik het weer. Dat jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Leen mij een beetje van jouw licht. Haal mij uit de schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar ik draag te veel gewicht. Leen mij je vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Jij bent mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je werd hij, alsjeblieft, man.
Literally.
Lynn. Oh, thank you. He's a fantastic singer, this one. Y'all should keep an eye out for him, especially here on these concerts, whilst helping the algorithm.
I sent a link to my aunt because I think she is beautiful.
Oh, Nina. Hey, schatje. Oh, zo leuk dat jullie kijken. Misschien heb ik nog iets Nederlands dat kan zingen. Now, we still have a few minutes. Whew. Oh, I thought that she was on the YouTube chat, but she was saying that a video of me and her dancing is also on YouTube, which is also lovely, maar.
Who?
Nina van Chat Fashion.
Yeah. We could sing that one.
Okay, okay. Yo. Okay, we're gonna do I'm gonna do one song. This was very popular. I did an Indonesian song a few weeks ago. So here we go. This is Malam Sepi. And I've already forgotten. It means lonely night. That's what it means. It means lonely night. So, here we are. This was one of Charlie's favorites, if I remember correctly. So. Aku bancai malam sepi, bimbang diri datang lagi. Apa memang benar-benar dirinya teman hidup ini? Aku tambah malam sunyi saat ku dapatkan diri waktu bahagia ku bersama dia hanya dalam mimpi. Aku harus bagaimana, tak ingin berpisah, namun hatiku berkata sudah. Aku memang butuh dia, namun diriku bukan untuknya. Love that one. Absolutely love that one. That's Malam Supi. Lonely Night. And yes, Lynn, very clever that you noticed Cavatina. I also love that one. Okay, we're going to have to do it again, but in Spanish this time for Julia. Okay? If you don't know Spanish, y'all can sing along in English at home. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos todos. Cumpleaños feliz. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
F8. I think that was F8.
Feliz cumpleaños, Julia. Okay, right. Now, it's just past 9 o'clock, so my boys know what that means.
My boys. Yes, don't feed Benjamin anymore.
Don't feed Benjamin.
Yeah, don't feed Benjamin after 9 o'clock.
Oh, don't feed Rude. Rude. Okay, so today I thought I would try to get Joãozinho and Wits more involved in everything. And I ended up doing a very quick version, which we rehearsed for like 10 minutes before. So, Witzinho and Joãozinho are going to join me. Oh man, I thought this was tea. I just took a massive gulp of it.
Again, the same
It's
excuse.
Absolutely not tea.
It's always the same excuse.
File that under oop thing.
Anyway, so we have we have a few lovely German people watching from all the way from Oakington in Cambridge. I would say make some noise, but there's nobody here to make any noise.
A very loud noise.
Let your neighbors know.
The lovely Barnett family. We have Sharon and Knut watching from Meur near Stuttgart, and we have Kirsten. Ja, sorry schat, ik weet niet van waar je kijkt. Maar ook Duitsland, also Germany. So, here we go. This is Widmung, dedication, which is originally by Schumann. You know what, I'm going to do it once, solo, and then we repeat and do it with the three of us, okay?
Yes.
So, originally it's for a solo classical voice. I give my own spin on it, and today I did a setting so that these two lovely boys could join me, okay? Helps if your foot's on the pedal. We have public from outside the room.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, it's such a lovely song. Good old Schumann. Oh, I want to try to get more people, more stuff where we get other people to join for concerts, or that João and Widsinho also join me. Bertie. Oh, Kirsten, superleuk dat je er bent. Anna. Hola, Anna. And Bertie, yeah, you know what? I'm also planning, maybe I shouldn't say this, but planning on doing 1 or 2 albums this year, working with musicians. And actually, this is a good moment because I wanted you to join me on this very cute one that I wrote about dancing. And I'll sing you the chorus because you're going to sing this with me. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves, lost completely in our hearts' embrace. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint us gold while we dance away. So, Bertie, that's one that me and you are going to sing together, and it'd be glorious harmony as well. But also, yeah, for sure, with these guys, I want to get some people involved in doing a sort of like concert, an album of like more modern stuff, older stuff in a modern style, you know, like a nice, gorgeous, cheesy stuff. So
it's not that weird to sing it that way.
no, it's
Not
just
at all.
it's very different to what people
even
normally.
hip wise.
Okay.
Really? Do you know what hip is? Music lesson? No, it's historically informed practice.
Oh, I see.
Ornamentation allowed.
Oh, Kirsten made a video and sent it to her mother in Germany. Oh, that's very cute. You know, afterwards this stays online, so you can carry on. You can watch it back just whenever. So that may be slightly better quality in case that helps anyway. But anyway, that was for all my German friends and watchers. Thank you.
Actually, yeah, just for the entire
Danke, but also everybody, of course.
entire country of Germany.
The entire country of Germany, absolutely. Yeah.
You're welcome,
It,
Germany.
played back. That was really pretty. Hope you'll be doing more harmony pieces, the 3 of you singing there. Absolutely. I mean, I'd love to get 4 of us because we'd love to get Andre involved. Unfortunately, because of the proximity thing of lockdown, that actually this is like the most we can do at the minute. So there'll be a lot more of the 3 of us all singing together. And then hopefully very soon and on the album doing some 4, the 4 of us together. Anyway, this next one was also très popular with everybody who'd been watching. So, and this was in B flat minor. You may all sing along at home if you know the Italian. Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasore partigiano, portami via, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 partigiano. Portami via che mi sento di morire, se non muoio di partigiano. Oh bella ciao, lassù in montagna. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. E seppellire lassù in montagna sotto l'ombra di un bel fiore. E gli gentili che passeranno, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. E le gentili che passeranno mi diranno che bel fiore. Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasore. Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina io sono alzata e ho trovato l'invasore. There we go. Ciao bello. I mean, bella ciao. Sorry. Right, what else did we have on the program? We had... Yeah, you know what, guys? It's time.
It's not 10.
It's the final countdown.
Alright. Yeah, yeah. Didn't I tell you? Oh shit.
I meant
Oh,
to send a
no
letter.
swearing. Oh, ships.
Ships.
Got lost in the mail, I'm sure.
Okay, boys, you feel free to sing along. This was a... I know for a fact, I didn't verify this with Hida, but I know for a fact that this was one of his favorite. And also, so many people said how much they love this. So, oh baby, baby,
Yes.
how was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight to tell me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby, the reason I breathe is you. And boy, you got me blinded. Oh, pretty baby, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Yes, tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. My loneliness is killing me. Yes, I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to know something wasn't right here? Oh, baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight to show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now.
One more time.
What? Because my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. The backing vocals were fantastic.
Yes, they're great.
It's like
That
they're
was-
natural.
Yeah.
On their natural screaming voice.
Yeah. Voce gritando. That was just okay. I mean, which song was that?
It's Beyonce, right?
Beyonce. Beyonce. Jay-Z.
Okay, there we go. Okay, guys. Hi, John. Super cool. Hi, John. Super cool that you're there. Love to you and Maria. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to Colombia.
Oh, because it's all the same.
Okay. The abuse
Don't
is.
say the R word.
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys. Right. Okay. So we're gonna thank you, Bertie. Ha. We also should totally sing that together. Si es cuestión de confesar, no sé preparar café y no entiendo de fútbol. Creo que alguna vez fui infiel, juego mal hasta el parqués y jamás uso reloj. Y para ser más franco, nadie piensa en ti como lo hago yo. Aunque te dé lo mismo. Si es cuestión de confesar, nunca duermo antes de 10, ni me baño los domingos. La verdad es que también lloro una vez. Y el cielo está cansado ya de ver la lluvia caer. Y todo lo que pasa solo más parecido a ayer. No encuentro forma alguna de olvidarte, porque seguir amándote es inevitable. Siempre supe que es mejor cuando hay que hablar de dos, empezar por uno mismo. Ya sabrás la situación, que aquí todo está peor, pero al menos a un respiro. No tienes que decirlo, no vas a volver, me conozco bien. El cielo está cansado ya de ver la lluvia caer, y cada día que pasa solo más parecido a ayer. No encuentro forma alguna de olvidarte, porque seguir amándote es inevitable. Siempre supe que es mejor cuando hay que hablar de dos, empezar por uno mismo. Another awesome song, Inevitable, Inevitable by Shakira. Oh yeah, remember everybody who's watching on Instagram or Facebook, y'all should head over to YouTube because we've got way better sound there. Thanks everybody for being there. There's a lot of y'all there, which is very nice. There are donation links above, below, anywhere, you know, around. Y'all know the drill by now. So we've already had a few donations. That's so lovely that y'all have donated. It's going to help us get our own equipment and get better equipment every time so that we can keep doing these concerts. We can give Joao something for being such an awesome tech guy.
You can buy food.
And I can buy food and pay rent during Corona. So it's all really very sweet, and I've had so many of you supporting me, which I'm eternally grateful for real. And otherwise, let's just keep doing these awesome concerts. I'll be singing for you every week from now on, so get used to it. I'm not going anywhere. And it's a real pleasure to be able to sing to you. We're going to do one for Poi.
Who's Poi Precious?
Poi, yeah. I tell you what, people in the chat can try and work out which one of you Poi is, because Poi is definitely watching. And there'll be some people, some very cute little people laughing at me having said that. So here we go.
Say it with a child voice.
Poi. This one's for you, Poi. The stars lean down to kiss you, and I lie awake and miss you. Pour me a heavy dose of atmosphere, 'cause I'll doze off safe and soundly, but I'll miss your arms around me. I'll send a postcard to you, dear, 'cause I wish you were here. The night turn light blue, but it's not the same without you, 'cause it takes two to whisper quietly. The silence isn't so bad till I look at my hands and feel sad, 'cause the spaces between my fingers are right where yours fit. I'll find a pose in new ways. Oh, I haven't slept in 2 days. This cold nostalgia chills me taste the sky and feel alive again. Don't forget the world that I knew, but I swear I won't forget you. Oh, if my voice could reach back through the past, I'd whisper in your ear. Oh, darling, I wish you Such a good song. Love it so much. That's Vanilla Twilight by Owl City. So,
We already know that one person is not.
we already know that Bethany Lauren is not poi. So,
Well, that narrows it down a little
that
bit.
narrows it down slightly.
Okay.
So, there are 3 beautiful mini human beings watching from I didn't say the number, from North Hill Park. Awesome that you guys have tuned in. I love you all, William, Seth, and Alyssa. I can't wait to see you. And a little birdie told me that a few days ago, there was a very special day. So everybody at home can join in singing. So Alyssa, you've got like people across 4 or 5 different countries all singing you happy birthday. So everybody, we're singing happy birthday for Alyssa, or Wissa, as she was known like 5 years ago when I used to look after her. And here we go. We're all gonna sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alyssa. Happy birthday to you. This is the Dutch version. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
Dat kun je wel zien wat ik zei.
Okay, that's another Dutch one for you, Alyssa.
Good song.
Anyway, happy birthday, Alyssa. It's very cute that you all get to watch. And now we're going to do one, especially for the person in the chat who said she wasn't poi, and for Claire. Oh, you're very welcome, Dad.
Are we being paid for every time we sing happy birthday?
Yeah, yo, I wish we were getting
Today's already 3 times.
3 times. Yeah, it was a birthday heavy week.
Government subsidy.
Already
Government subsidy.
four
Spreading
different,
Dutch culture.
4 different languages, right?
4 different languages: Spanish, English, Dutch.
Oh, maybe that's it.
3
Maybe
languages.
3 languages.
Parabéns a você.
That was last
Parabéns a você, parabéns aos Antonio.
Oh, shit.
A week later.
Parabéns.
Anyway,
It sounds like the Americans when they go to Portugal. They speak like
maybe
this.
I am an American that goes to Portugal.
It looks like they have a hot potato on their mouth.
Hey, I just had a thought. Do either of you know True Colors?
And I say,
Ja.
Ja.
Goed om nu mee te zingen en een couplet te zingen. Wil je dat?
Yeah, let me see the words. I'll make it Wid's version. See if I can add some color to it.
Get this guy thinking he's so funny.
Ah,
Do you want to tell that joke to the microphone?
no, I don't, thanks. Thank you for offering.
Hiddo said he's going to do it in the Wids way and maybe add some colour to it, and then he found it terribly funny. So
Usually
basically,
bad comedians think their jokes are funny.
Yeah, I'm a living Dunning-Kruger
That's the bad sign.
graph.
okay, so we're going to do True Colours. This is for Beth and for Claire, and I know that y'all are watching, so lots of love to you both. Oh, there's a lot of love today. I like this. We should discuss love more often in these concerts. So, jij doet eerst couplet, eerste chorus, refrein. Ik doe tweede refrein en dan derde refrein samen.
Ik was niet aan het luisteren, dus ik was even tekst aan het doen.
Bro. Get a load of this,
Oké,
guys.
dus eerste couplet en
Eerste
refrein voor
doe
mij.
jij.
En dan?
Tweede couplet en tweede refrein doe ik, hè.
Ja.
En dan we doen weer... Doe ik deze in mijn eentje. En dan doen we refrein samen. En jij doet
ja.
melodie, ik doe
Oké.
harmony. Dus als we samen
Dus
zingen...
hier zing ik weer.
Ja.
Ja, top.
Oké. And you have to say hello to Claire.
Ja, hey, hi Claire. Hello, this is for you. I hope you enjoy it.
Helps if the piano key works. Nou, laat maar.
You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you can make you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. Show me a smile. Don't be discouraged. Can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you take it all you can bear, just call me up. 'Cause you know I'll be there, and I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. If this one makes you crazy and you take it all you can bear, call me up. 'Cause you know I'll be there, and I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow.
Wits flavor, right?
Bit of Wits flavor.
Yeah.
We did exactly what me and my sister also always do, where both of us sing the harmony and neither of us sing the melody. That we both go, okay, I'm going to do the harmony now. Greetings from Mexico. Hola. No sé quién eres, pero hola. Okay, since we have somebody watching from Mexico, did I have any more Spanish stuff? Not. What Spanish songs can I do? Oh yeah, of course, right. I know that yo sé que también Julia y Andrea, a ellas les encanta eso. Entonces. Recuérdame, hoy me tengo que ir, mi amor, recuérdame, no llores, por favor, te llevo en mi corazón y cerca me tendrás, a solas yo te cantaré soñando en regresar. Recuérdame, aunque tenga que emigrar, recuérdame, si mi guitarra es llorar, ella con su triste canto te acompañará, hasta que en mis brazos estés. Soñando en regresar, recuérdame, aunque tenga que emigrar, recuérdame, si mi guitarra es llorar, ella con su triste canto te acompañará, hasta que en mis brazos estés. Bertie, you're a babe. Thank you. Although I don't exactly know which one you're talking about. So, yeah, but I think it's a little bit far behind at least. Oh, I'm not following live. That would be why. Anyway, thank you, Bertie. Yeah, that was like, you know, tenor.
Community reference.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. Oh, we've got so many more songs to do. We might have to go a little bit over time. Remember, everybody who's watching who isn't subscribed, y'all gotta subscribe to the channel because that's like the biggest way to help me. So everybody watching on YouTube, buhal. Everybody watching on Facebook and Instagram, I'm assuming that's what you came over here for. Everybody watching on Facebook and Instagram, head on over to YouTube, like my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on like all my other videos because that helps me with the algorithm. I want loads of people watching this, you know, to be able to share this awesome music with lots of other people. Wil je ook een zegje doen?
And send Benjamin's stream to one person that you are reminded of.
Exactly. Good point. Send this, because we're going to go a little bit over time. Send this to a lot of people, or one person, or a lot of people, whatever you want, who you think will enjoy it. And remember, donation links are up, down, if you want to buy me a cup of tea, if you want to pay a bit of my rent this month, because, you know, all my work got cancelled, or you want to commit a little bit to the microphones, you know, everything is welcome. Thank you all in advance. I've been really humbled. Okay, now, for real. So back to my normal speaking voice. I've been really humbled that everybody's given such amazing donations. And it's been really overwhelming over the last however many times we've done this. So thank you everybody who's donated and that everybody who's just watched, because my main goal with this is just to be able to share all these amazing melodies and these good moods with all of you. And I'm really thankful to Jorginho, to Widzinho, to Andreinho, that I'm able to do all of this stuff. So, and to everybody at the Muziekkamer, of course, because we're at this amazing place with this amazing piano. And I'm just really thankful. So, thank you, everybody.
What are you grateful for today?
We have so many songs. Okay, so we have to do yeah, we have to do this one, especially because Bertie's watching, I guess. I guess. And what key was I doing this in? No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can hear something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Whoa, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Whoa, what am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you? No, I can't do that. There's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love to feel strong. 'Cause I've had time to think it through. And maybe I'm too good for you. You've all got to join me singing. 2, 3, 4. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. Oh, well, I know that I'll get through this, 'cause I know that I am strong. I don't need you anymore. 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 Oh my lord, that was really fun to sing. Top B flat.
B flat 5.
B flat 5 in my soprano voice. So we've had like top D flat in my normal voice and a top B flat in my soprano voice. That's like,
I think Wiz is taking notes.
we're just taking notes, yeah.
I think so.
Anyway, guys, I love singing. I love singing all this stuff for you. We have so many more songs to sing, so we don't have that much time to sing. Dad, I'm going to say this. Lynn, we're going to do some Cornish songs in a little bit. So I don't know if somebody could let Lynn know, boy, that we're going to do some more Cornish stuff. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I think that deserves a sub for any of you that haven't subbed yet, so go do it. Okay, right, going to an absolutely, you know what, now we're going to stay in fun mode for a little bit. Oh man, that really took me out of breath. That's exactly. Wids and Jorginho are also going to join me for the second part of this.
Oh yeah. Are we?
Yep, they may not know it yet.
Okay. Dance.
Yeah, they're actually just going to dance, yeah. Right, oh my lord, I have so many tabs open about schnibbles and texts, and I just closed the one that, oh no, here we go. Right, here we go. So, key signatures, guys, if I, A flat and F minor, if I forget, okay? A flat and F minor.
A flat major? Or
Stop it.
I'm serious.
I know a place where the grass is really greener, warm, wet and wild. There must be something in the water. Sipping gin and juice, laying underneath the palm trees. The boys break their necks, trying to creep a little sneak peek. You could travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Golden Coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot will melt your popsicle. California girls were undeniable. Fine, fresh, fierce, we got it on lock. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. Sex on a beach, we don't mind sand in our stilettos. We freak in my Jeep, Snoop Doggy Dogg on the stereo. You can travel the world, but nothing comes close to the Cornish coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. California girls are unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot will melt your popsicle. California girls, we're undeniable. Fine, fresh fists, we got it unlocked. Sun-kissed represent, now put your hands up. Tall town fitting ready. Turn it up cause it's getting heavy. Wild, wild West Coast. These are the girls I love the most. I mean the ones, I mean like she's the one. Kiss her, touch her, squeeze her bones. The girls are freaked, you drive a Jeep and live on the beach. I'm okay, I won't play. I love the bay just like I love LA. Venice Beach and Palm Springs. Summertime is everything. Homeboys banging out. All that ass hanging out. Bikinis, zucchinis, martinis, no weenies. Just a king and a queenie. Katie, my lady. And Ricky here, baby. I'm all up on you cause you're representing California. Fine, fresh, fierce, we got it unlocked. West Coast represent, now put your hands up. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day.
Stopped into a church.
Stopped into a church.
I passed along the way.
Passed along the way.
Well, I got down on my knees.
Got down on my knees.
And I pretend to pray.
I pretend to pray.
You know the preacher like the
Preacher like the cold.
He knows I'm gonna slay. California
dreaming
on such a winter's day.
California dreaming
On such a winter's
such a
day.
winter's day. Ba, 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 ya, ba, 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 ya, ba. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, ya, ba, 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 ya, da, ba, ba, ya, ba, 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 ya, ba, ba, ya, ba, ba, ya, ba, 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 da, ba, ba, ya, ba, ba. All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. If I didn't tell it, I could leave today. California dreaming on such a winter's day. California dreaming on such a winter's day.
Stopped into a church. I passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees. And what I did pretend to pray. You know, the preacher, he does like the cold. He knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on such a winter's day. California on such a winter's day.
California,
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 California dreaming,
dreaming,
dreaming, California dreaming. Well, there we go. Thank you, boys. What time is it? Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to go back and do a sadder song before it breaks the place. This is for Mum. I hope she's watching. This was a surprising hit. I did this, and everybody was really loving it. And I got a load of comments about how nice it was. Woo! I'd rather be sailing, yes I would. The sun is on my neck, the wind is in my face, the water's incredibly blue, and I'd rather be sailing, yes. I don't wanna go sailing then. Come home to you. Sex is good, but I'd rather be sailing. Food is nice, but I'd rather be sailing. People are swell, but I'd rather be sailing over the horizon. I'd rather be sailing, yes I would, on an open sea. I'd stand there inhaling if I could, feeling wild and free. The sun is on my neck, the wind is in my face, the water's incredibly blue, and I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sailing then. Come home to you. I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sailing then. Come home to you. Yeah, just doing an email here. Home on the range, where the deer and the cantaloupe play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the sky isn't cloudy all day. And I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I really wanna do is live with you. Just like the night of the morning, after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. that's where our hearts both belong. 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. All I wanna do is live with you. Yeah. Anybody who doesn't know that song, you should go and watch Brokeback Mountain, and do it when you're feeling strong, because it's a very emotional movie, and that was part of it. There are still loads of people watching. I've got like 5 different songs to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more songs. So there's no way we're going to be able to fit that all in. Unfortunately, the ones I don't get done today will probably roll on over into next week. We haven't done that much Cornish stuff today for not doing it. Right. So we're going to finish. Yeah, I'm just looking, we're already 10 minutes over time. So we are going to do 2 very, very fun Cornish songs. Guys, do you want to come and join?
No.
No? Like the chorus of Lamorna? And then White Rose?
Yeah. I'm not getting paid for this.
Bro, yes you are.
You want some exposure as well?
Not for singing.
Okay, so hopefully Lynn is watching because I know she loves this stuff. Otherwise she'll just have to watch it. She'll have to watch it back. Joao, shall I send you the links? I'll send you the links.
Yeah. Can I have your phone? Because
Lamorna and what was it? Oh yeah, White Rose. There we go. Oh, such a heartbreaker, this last one.
Send it in our group chat.
Oh, I already sent it to Jorginho.
yeah, I heard it.
Yeah. Well, that's
In
nice.
the phone streaming on Facebook.
Oh yeah, of course, right.
Are we closing with this too?
Yeah, so we're closing, so I'll do my final spiel.
Their final words.
Everybody, thank you for watching. It's been a real great pleasure having these 2 amazing boys, B-O-I-S, singing with me today. And as always, thank you to Widzinho, thank you to Jorginho for doing all the sound technician and for joining me. Thank you for Andre for some of the equipment. Thank you to the Muziekkamer. Thank you to all of you for watching. Make sure that you send it to like 1 million people, so that at least 1 million people, preferably 2 or 3, so that some more people. A trillion. Is that a European or an American trillion?
Oh man,
Yes.
that's a big difference.
It actually is, isn't it? Anyway, enough of those fun facts. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you tell everybody, send it, it doesn't have to be live. You can just send this link to like 50 people and be like, hey, check out this one song that he did because that was my favorite. Okay, that's your homework. Send this link to somebody and tell them which was your favorite. Tomorrow there'll be a set list so they can click straight to it. So, deal.
We will be watching.
You'll have
so
homework again.
Beware. Do you need something?
To finish with, once again, after White Rose.
Sure.
And then just once through. Let's do this. Okay, we're going to do a little set. Ha 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 ha. Lamorna, Vitmong, White Rose, okay?
Okay.
And I'll only do like 3 verses of the White Rose. So now I'll sing to you about a maiden fair I met the other evening on the corner of the square. A dark and roving eye. She was a charming rover, and we roved all night in the pale moonlight, away down to La Morna. This is so much fun. I love doing this. 'Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, 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 and her hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and we roved all night in the pale moonlight, away down to La Morna. As we got in the cab, I asked her for her name, but when she gave it to me, well, mine it was the same. So I lifted up the veil, for her face was covered over. To my surprise, it was my wife. One took down to La Morna. 'Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, 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 and her hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and we roved all night in the pale moonlight, away down to La Morna. She said, oh Ronky, she said, I know thee well, I know thee all the while, I know thee in the dark, but I did it for a lark. For that lark he'll pay, for the roving of your own isle. Pay the fine old Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, 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 and her hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and rocked all night in the pale moonlight, away down to La Morna. 'Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, 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 and her hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and we rocked all night in the pale moonlight, away down to La Morna. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Frau, oh, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du
mich liebst, macht mich mir wert. Dein Blick hat mich vor mir verklärt.
Du hebst mich
Lebend über mich, mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Erfahrung, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, nur daran ich schwebe, mein guter Geist, mein besseres
The first time I met you, my darling, your face was as fair as the rose. But now your dear face has grown paler, as pale as the lily white rose.
I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's the rose that reminds me of you.
You're fair as the spring, oh my darling. Your face shines so bright, so divine. The fairest of blooms in my garden. Oh, lily white rose, you are mine.
I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair she grows. It's the rose that reminds me of you.
Years pass by so quickly, my darling. Each makes you more precious to me. But long may we grow close together. Oh, lily white rose, cling to me.
I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's the rose that reminds me of you.
Oh, thank you very much, everybody, for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure singing with you all this evening. I hope that you all are safe. I hope that you all stay safe and healthy. And good luck. Tell everybody you know for next week, and we're going to have another awesome concert next week with some cameos from Jorginho and Witinho. Have a lovely week. I've already said that anyway. Lots of love. Thanks for joining, and see you next week. Ciao.